The Tour de Hunter Mill is a bike ride that we've been doing for the last several years, starting in 2020. And the Tour de Hunter Mill is an opportunity for people to explore the Hunter Mill district on bicycles. We've got some great new things that folks can see. One of them is right behind me. This is a new bridge on the W&OD trail that goes over Wheelie Avenue. So for those of you that have done this part of the trail before or even driven down Wheelie, you know how dangerous it's been. For the last few months, we've now had this bridge option. This is going to be part of the Tour de Hunter Mill this year, and this is a great way to experience it for the first time if you haven't already.
Working with Supervisor Alcorn's staff, we developed some routes that would show off the good, the bad, and the needs to be improved in the district. And we have seen over 5 years how that has changed, and we've been able to change the route each year so that it can take advantage of those new opportunities to bike safely.
We first started it, one, to give people an opportunity to see Hunter Mill from a different perspective, two, to encourage bicycling. You know, we have such great trails and bicycle facilities in a lot of places that people didn't even know about. And third, it's good for you. This is really good for your health. It's great to be outdoors, and also to know that this is an opportunity for people to get around without getting in their cars.
If you're from the Reston Hunter Mill area, you will probably see things you didn't even know that were there. And if you're from outside our area, we have the most beautiful district with some of the best bike infrastructure in the county.
This year we're going to have orange socks. So if you've done the Tour de Hunter Mill before, you're interested in new color socks, you better come this year because we got a different color. Go to the website, there's more information on what it is, what the routes are, and how to register.